Okay, market is open in 5 seconds. The market is open. By the way, Rivian announced their plans to spin out one of their businesses. It's going to develop small electric vehicles designed for short trips. We're below VWAP. So a move into the 21, I'm going to look for a short around 463. Also live trading. I'm going to post that up above so you guys can see if you guys want to watch. So again, moving to 463, I'm looking for a short. Oh, they did not bring it up to the 63. Oh, wait. Oh, no, I do. They did fill me. I got only one filled, though. Damn. Okay. Well, stop and profit at 432. I only got one M&Q filled, but I mean, listen, I'm not going to complain. Up $80 on it. I'm going to close those other orders, stop and profit at 430. We ride.
Good. Loading.
Okay.
Good morning.
Stop for profit there. Nice little 25-point trade.
Nice.
I mean, they only filled one of my MNQs. I had like 7 set up. So, I mean, it is what it is, though.
Good morning. Space is glitching for me a little. Sorry.
Good morning, Beak Her.
Good.
Nice move down. There's that London low tapped in. I would like to see previous day low 292.
You excited to get your Rivian e-bike, Knots?
Oh yeah.
E-bike? Oh boy.
Hell freaking yeah.
How fast does it go?
Is that what they were doing?
That's what micro-mobility means, yep.
Oh. Yeah, that means shit to me then.
Yeah, it's scooters, e-bikes, etc., etc.
They brought it right into 463 again, though. If I had my orders there, damn, I would have got filled. I don't know if I want it, though. Well, maybe I did want it. Damn. Maybe I did want it. Because that thing is falling. Down 20 points from, or was at 20 at 440. Did we just hit VWAP there? 470?
You got VIX falling, coming up on yesterday's lows. Oh, I regret to inform you that the tick open was plus 379.
Chop it up. Chop it up. Ba-da-bum, ba-bum. Let me chop your fucking credit card. Is that what this? That's what this market's about to do.
The quantum stock, IonQ, getting a little perky.
big divergence between ES and NQ. ES just still making those big highs. NQ not doing it.
Okay, a lot of upper wicks here. A lot.
AMD went green and got smacked.
I was looking to actually short it over 115. What is that?
I think you missed your 115 short entry.
Yeah, I did. Wow.
Should have set an alert there.
That is a little upsetting. But yeah. And NQ, I mean, I should have grabbed the shorts. I had them up there. Okay, I wait. So what? It would be an electric bicycle? Is that what we're talking about?
Yeah, they'd be small electric vehicles, bikes, scooters. If they're feeling up to maybe a wheelchair, who knows?
Interesting. And I didn't even know they had a second company, to be honest.
I think they made it. That was the spun out its micro mobility business. So I guess it had already
Yeah.
a micro mobility business.
Yeah, no, I did not know that. So far, it looks like I'm going to be shorting today.
The Rivian website makes no mention to any e-bikes or such, so it may only be in store. Okay, so apparently they started working on an e-bike in 2023.
And that would be a motorcycle. Oops. Wow, Valdez. Wait, what? Valdez green.
Remember, Tesla has that demo for Congress today.
Yeah, what time is that?
I want to say I knew it. Hold on.
Okay, so NQ made new low there.
I don't think there's a time. It's probably just open, like a little booth.
Okay. We're under VWAP. We're under the 9021. I look for bounces back into 9021 for shorts. That's my game plan.
Here comes ES trying to make those lows as well with
Yeah.
NQ.
Yes, she is.
There goes ES making lows.
Still waiting for that 9 or 21 tap.
Yes is almost at those. Oh no, we just hit them London lows.
That's most of our afternoon range there. Ooh, AMD got so smacked at 115.
Yeah, that AMD sure would have been fire. I have orders set above for shorts. 400, 407, 418, and 425. I could change those depending on when we find a bottom here. But
Kashkari coming up.
crash car, you mean?
Kashkari. Tesla was slow to make a new low. There we go. And there's yesterday's SPX lows. I have a resistance here on LVIX from Tuesday and Wednesday.
No, we're coming into Yesterday's low, and I'm gonna set orders there for longs 294. Guarantee you they don't get me. Guarantee you. You want to bet?
To enter
Yeah.
into the loans.
Guarantee you they don't get me.
Oh, you're tempting the market makers now. If that was our dead cat bounce, that was a pretty weak one. That up thrust from end of last week, from 5,500 to not even 58. There's the VIX slowing down at that resistance.
Oh, yep. I'm not gonna. Okay, I'm gonna take my buys off. Got my shorts still though. I have it set for the 200 now. Around 400 on NQ. So I'm gonna nibble one long here at 328. Only one I'm in Q. I probably should do 2 to 3, but it's okay. I look to sell it into the 9 at around 363. I'm going to set a sell already at 357 just so I undercut it.
NQ never tap previous day low. Still think we go lower. Previous day low is 292. Below that is 274.50. I think we get there. Might have to sit through a short-term bounce though. Next 15.
Okay, I got sold at 56 on my 1M and Q. It was $50 there and 27 points. I do want to get a short. I want them to blast through and get to 21 at just about 400. That would be big. I don't know if they're going to do it. I mean, this may be the short area right here, to be honest, at the 9. But I'm ready. I have it, set at the 21 just in case they do it here. Yeah, they're just going to reject the 9 there. 60-point bounce is good enough, it seems. Shit. We're trending down, though, right now to start the day, BK. But, I mean, we've trended up in the prior days with the chop tick, too, and then just died. So, died out, I mean.
Yeah, I mean, so far, what's our range? 57.83 to 57.55. So just shy of 30 points.
Yeah. Like yesterday, you said it was a chop. We had an initial move up, and then we had that little 2 hours where it was just literally a flat move. Up and down 20 points on NQ.
Yeah, that was 11. Looking at it on 30-minute, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Oh wow! So even more than 2 hours. Yeah.
If we reverse this move, reclaim it 20 points to the upside, maybe 30. Could definitely see that similar action, especially if VIX rejects here. Your low VIX price action.
My dog is just slightly snoring.
Most of the market right now is just down with Mag 7 other than Apple. Heat map's not actually that red across the board. Oh, the Kashkari conversation's starting. And he's on stage.
Okay, we're about to do a little mini H here to the downside. Do have yesterday's low right under, but because we got the bounce before it and it's only 20 points away now, I'm not looking to buy it. I've seen too many times where I've tried to do that before over the years and it doesn't work. So I'm still just waiting. Get some calls and or puts. But just got to be patient and wait for the appropriate timing. Oscar coming back. Rivian going for new highs intraday, not including pre-market. Let's see what else we got here. Tesla making new lows. Nvidia making new lows. AMD's near new lows, also Hing. Meta Hing, Amazon Hing. VIX rising 1770.
Kashkari so far only doing a little crowd work, talking about the polling for uncertainty and stuff.
So they did buy it right above yesterday's high. I mean low. They didn't take it, but
Oh, they will.
yeah.
On one of them, at least. Yes, hasn't quite hit it. NQ is 2 points away from it.
Trump is talking Greenland acquisition right now. He says we have to have it.
They're not trying to extend here yet, which which is interesting. I thought they would have dropped us right down after they broke that lowercase h. Google, nice bounce. AMD trying to bounce. Microsoft trying to bounce.
We're getting into the good questions on Crash Kari.
Crash Kari. Do you believe we should do 400 rate cuts? No.
CBC says U.S. may not account for all non-tariff barriers.
Rejected the 9 there in the 2 minute. Still dangling by the fire here.
There's previous day low on NQ.
Q's down just about 1% here.
Well, if you're feeling the FOMO on TTD, just tap 60.
TT Dur.
TTD. New low day. Is that your long fill knots?
No. I don't have anything. They're killing it. They are really killing it. Damn.
Yeah. No real reason for any longs quite yet, but now we're actually trading in an area where you could see some buying happening. But all this morning we were not until we just took that previous day low.
The tick has lied to me. BK must be banished. Jordan, do your thing. Remove him.
All this looks like on the weekly, if you just bump up your time frame, this is all just a bounce to rug us lower, in my opinion.
The dead cat.
I am not in the boat that this recent past week low that we made is the low. Do you think the market needs to go lower? No real points of confluence on a higher time frame for the market to truly move higher.
Oh no, Kashkar is talking Bitcoin.
And they're still
Fun.
He's the guy who did the Beanie Baby
which
quotes.
is
I think there could be a bit of a long scalp into these last 4-hour highs here in a little bit, which would be back into 357. But higher time frame, once you get into there, I would not want to be long anymore.
What just happened on my screen? I don't know why my screen does that sometimes. Okay, so let me close all those orders. And now I look to short at 320. They gotta hit the 21 at some point very, very, very soon. No, I did one little long. I did just get a shittier entry. Close it at 280. We're gonna see an extension into the 9 at least. Oh, maybe I should drop that a little bit. Yeah, I didn't like that entry. Shit, that was stupid. That was stupid. So we're gonna see the 9. Would love to see a 21 tap.
Did you say 21?
Yeah, 21. I have an order to close this small long out just above. Got like 12 points on it right before the 9. I really want to get that short though. If we get to the 21. Which we really should get an extension into. If it's not this exact move right here, it's going to be the next time we drop down. It's usually never more than 3. And I'm about to get close for my profit here. It's going to be literally like 15 bucks. No, 20 bucks. I'm rich. My one poor MNQ because I didn't have the best entry. And I got close for profit. Come on, blast through the 9, push it right to 21, make me happy. 9 right here on the 2-minute. Come on, baby. Do it. Do it. Come on. Come on. Push through. Get over 20. Get over 285. Come on. Get over 285.
Or it's no longer viable since we hit that 274.50.
Come on. Push through.
But doesn't mean I would be long here. No real points of confluence for that yet. We're just in a area where I would expect to see the setup for it. Doesn't mean it's there. Nice little bounce though, but no sign of change in state, no sign of a structure shift whatsoever. But even if we end up going way lower in the market into the rest of the week or next week or whatever, I would expect this area to get bought up to go at least back to those 4-hour highs we just made, even potentially higher. Frank's here. Good morning.
Frankie Frank.
Hey.
Hello,
Good morning,
Mr.
driving.
Frank. Come on. Do it. Do it. Yes. Closed over the 9 on the 2-minute. That could be good. Come on.
Tommy never missing. Ooh. This bounce ain't looking too strong quite yet.
Holding the 9 right now. But no follow through. Projecting yesterday's low, 290. Don't think I'm going to get my 21 for the short. trying to get higher here.
So
Still holding onto this 9, but I mean, damn.
It's feeling sus.
Yeah.
A Tesla is over its 3-minute 20.
Chop now that we've hit the big bear target all day. Is that it?
Yeah, Crash Car is saying the Fed won't be able to cut until in the next year or two. Which honestly, cuts aren't the bullish signal people think they are. I'd say the post-COVID rally is more the anomaly.
Ooh, big drop. Hey. Didn't get my feels. Tad upsetting. We're Hing again. Rejected yesterday's low. And rejected the 9 EMA.
Kashkar is done. He's donezo. He's capital G gone.
God.
Visa's one I've got on watch. Possible short. It's right in the middle of this ascending broadening wedge. Would want to see 350 gap fill rejection. Would be perfect entry. Ideally pushing it down to 325. Just gonna go ahead and set my alerts.
I don't know why my computer just randomly shuts off my screen. Like, what the hell?
Can't have that.
No, it's like when I'm streaming, it'll just randomly cut it off for some reason. We're coming into the 21 here. I do not want to short it right here, to be honest. I know I've said all morning I want to short into the 21, but I wanted to short it on an extension. And I mean, if we did it on that last try, it would have been an extension. This is after that recent tap just a few minutes ago. So I'm going to wait. Possibly they even try to test it higher. I don't know. I stepped out of the room. You said you want to short around 350? Mr. BK?
Oh, you're talking. Okay, Visa. Yeah, for some reason I thought you were talking NQ, and I couldn't hear Frank or Jordan.
Mm.
Yes, sir. We got a gap there. It's right where chop wedges as well. And if you look at I haven't thrown the fan on it for the exact midpoint of this wedge, but it looks about where the middle of the wedge would be. There's NQ over 20 coming up into Orbo.
Mm-hmm.
What's that? Chop and retrace the whole little downtrend?
No, they wouldn't, right?
Oh, I think they would. No trend day for you. I have a 57.76 as an SPX target.
Okay. I did a put spread on NDX. Sold 19,900 puts, bought 19,890. I'm like $200 away. Google, AMD. Everything's getting shat on. Okay, trying to hold the 9 and 21 here, as well as yesterday's low. Now we're holding that 9 and 21. Thought I sold my hood. This is 14 now. This is 35.50 now.
Ooh, short report from Greenberg on Oklo, the SMR nuclear name.
It held the 9 and 21, held yesterday's low. Trying to do a little mini bull flag here in the 2 minute. See if they can get above.
That is a CNBC contributor. Yeah, says the fact Oklo is public at this stage of its evolution is a red flag. And then shares its operating income. Yeah, you can read red flag alert. Why I'm adding Oklo to red flag list is a whole write-up on it.
Come on, break out of this flag. Let's see. Break out of that flag. Break out of that flag. What do you say, BK? We break out of the flag?
To the upside, yeah.
Let's ride. BK said it's happening.
Give me 16 points on ES.
You long?
Long to the bone.
There's like no movement on that tape.
Like we get up there, probably, especially if we hit 57.80, you'd probably do your condor thing. I don't know what your strategy is, to be honest, other than writing premium.
Wait, say that again. Sorry, I heard the last half.
I was saying if we get to the top of this range, like SPX.
Oh, look to also do a call side?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Very possible. No follow through yet. Still flagging, but like, I don't know.
I want to be interested in MSTR, but I think price action may be too slow to outpace what contracts I take on it.
Come on, baby.
What are we doing?
What are we doing?
I have no idea. Up, down, up, down. I would love to see it be like yesterday. Well, I don't know how yesterday was in the morning for a lot of stuff. But
So it was the same thing, except the opposite. Yesterday was just up and then flat for 4 hours. Today was down and so far flat for an hour. Basically flat.
I would like to see it go back up now.
Yeah, a 20-point upward channel. Very choppy. Up and to the right.
I mean, it's still slowly flagging with no breakout yet.
Give me like the biggest bear flag ever, please.
And then it doesn't do it, and then they break it higher.
Well, yeah, that's what I mean. The bear flag that got too flaggy just kept going. Amazon little basin break. Tessie looks like carbon copy of yesterday. I think Tessie yesterday was like red, base, grind up to squeeze upside at the close. I took some Microsofts, but like it's not really following through yet. Those ones had held yesterday's low, back over pre-market lows and opening range lows. SPY is sitting on yesterday's low right now. I feel like this is one of those setups where like the bears have every opportunity to like absolutely flush it right now and pull the rug.
But they
They
won't.
should have done it, but they should have done it already.
Yeah.
And they're not. Look at Amazon.
Yeah, we're trying to break out of this flag on NQ to the upside.
I love Googs long too. But you know. Apple never really broke down, held pre-market lows the entire time. You never know. Is the gold event going live today?
Yeah. Yeah.
For the hoodies?
I know Evan's there.
I know people are there, but I don't know
Yeah.
if it's...
I think it's
Oh, Evan's
today.
here?
I think it's today. I know Evan is there.
The Lost City of Gold, the keynote event live from San Francisco, starts at 6:30 p.m. Pacific, 9:30 Eastern.
Oh, nice. They're at the mint, like the old mint, like where they used to mint money. Which is kind of cool.
San Francisco tech companies just do wild stuff.
I mean, it's a cool venue, man.
No, I'm not going down. It's just like cool, very, very peculiar, cool stuff.
They need to have that extra swagger.
Yep. Got to get that marketing budget out.
I mean, how else are they going to have the deductions for the 60-something% tax rate that we have? It's kind of a requirement.
You can spend it or give it to Sam.
Huh? Uh-oh, I lost my son. Hey, what are you doing over there? Playing basketball. Here, shoot the ball. I'll play. And on.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, B.
Man, that was a gnarly 5-minute buy candle on SPY there, huh?
When?
So that was right around, looks like just before 11. If you look at the 5-minute, there's well over maybe 700,000 or 800,000
Volume?
on that big buy candle, yeah. I had a huge morning. I'm just in a small calls position. I think we run up to around 570, 440 though.
I'm with ya.
I had a huge morning. Oh my God.
You take her short out of the gate.
I had NVIDIA and Hood.
Nice.
Got almost 200% on both of those total. And took a smaller position on 5 puts once I saw those upper wicks on the 5.
I just took the Tessie out of the gate, shorty, but I flipped on her already.
I'll say this: all that work I've been doing on the strat, from your mastermind and stuff.
Yeah.
It's not so much that I know the rules of the strat and stuff. It gets me just thinking about it differently. So while I'm not, doing it to the letter or whatever, it's just, okay, let's look at the bigger time frames. What's happening?
Yeah. Yeah.
That time frame continuity is kind of like one of the of it. Your stops and entries and stuff are cool with it for sure.
So, like, from a strat perspective, if SPY reclaims 573.68 or yesterday's low, it's a failed. It's a failed 2 down, and we should see exactly what you're talking about. 575s, and so if not higher,
Hood was a failed 2 up. At least I saw it that way.
Yeah. So those setups, the failed directional days, those are actually like really good.
Yeah. And that's what I mean about the mindset. I'm not exactly following the rules on the entry and the exit and the risk. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Well, no, because you can't. Because but I think anyways. So I just take the daily setup, and then intraday, you're just looking like pre-market high, pre-market low, opening range high, opening range low for your triggers to go towards your targets.
But yeah, it's definitely got me thinking differently on some things for sure. So I've watched those. Like, I haven't even progressed onto some of the other ones, like 3, 4, 5 times.
Yeah.
And then I found some. What's his name? Rob Davis or whatever.
Rob, which strat video are you on? Are you on the one from me or one from Jesse?
No. I've watched all of yours, but I also found a couple on YouTube where they interviewed the father,
Rob. Yeah.
Strat. And then he passed away, I guess, in 2023, it said. But
yeah.
But yeah, so it was funny seeing like how enthusiastic he was about his setups. Like his offense,
he's wild,
bro. He's off the chain, man. He's like, yep. You think you're bullish, and then wham, failed 2, goes into a 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, rest in peace, man. I like the mindset of it all. But the best thing was I was done for the day by like 10 a.m.,
Yeah.
Everything else I trade today is just going to be very it's such a huge morning.
Yeah. So SPY, if it stays like a 2 down on the day, we should see 570, spot 90. But that would be it for downside.
Yeah, you said in your video 570 area has to hold.
Yep.
Oh, they're gonna try it. They're gonna do it.
Tesla coming into VWAP. Is Amazon over VWAP?
Oh shit, my FAFOs.
Google up VWAP.
I really wanted to take Googs. I want to take Googs long. Oh shit, it's up there. I got NVIDIA logs, which are just doing nothing.
I think we need a new narrative. The AI chip narrative, I think, is a little cooked.
You think so?
Yeah, I think this year's software is what it'll be about. We probably priced in all the hardware stuff.
Well, then it's just Palantir. It's the only software I like.
Hmm.
NVIDIA also had that negative headline on
Yesterday?
overnight.
Dude, do we have any more data coming out today?
Let's check. We had Crash Kari at 10. Energy inventories come out, and then 5-year auction at 1, and 110 Musalem speaks.
I don't know who that is. That a new Fed?
Who is that?
He's around. He's not a big Fed member. Let's see.
A non-voting member.
St. Louis Fed president.
Never heard of him. Okay, I added more to my put spreads. I mean, we're up over 220 points away from them.
The thing with the voting Fed members and non-voting, they're still in the meeting and like contributing and influencing it. Something to consider. Musalem is a voting member in 2025.
Okay, interesting. Okay, they're going to try to drag it down. Right into yesterday's low here.
What are you looking at?
NQ. NQeth.
I do not know NQ. On the Qs, yesterday's low is still above.
Yeah.
I think we never really got there. tick negative 750. Cumulative tick's been negative.
Yeah, that's the lowest tick all day.
Which is weird because it's not the lowest price. Net volumes went positive for a little bit, now back negative.
Well, interesting. Did you know TTD got a new chief operating officer earlier this month?
I did not, but I bought some shares and they were green for a little while. No, they're still green.
Let's go.
They're not as green as they were yesterday. Apple's still holding it together. Close this Microsoft.
Apple looks pretty nice here, honestly. Pretty bullish on the Apple. There is an upside gap on Apple ending at 227.50.
Oh, they're gonna try and do it. Attempt number
45.
3. Attempt number 3. 570 spot 95 is the level. Semi's just not doing well. You know, Spooze. Would have held the shorts. Nope.
Yes, not making new lows while NQ can't. NQ has been the leader.
It looks like Intel is wanting to fill that gap. $23 to $20.80.
Okay, bouncing right back into the 9 and 21 here.
The 2 minutes ago, the tick hit negative 1200. It's a big short lock-in signal. Or sniper entry if you're really fast and quick to take profits on futures. Spoos made it a lower low, but not the Qs.
Spoos, Qs. I'm looking at short soon. Possibly into this 9 and 21 that we're at right now, but let me check. Oh, I like this better. I have shorts higher into 307 and 315 on NQ. Wait, I will be back. I have to hop on a call.
I'll be back.
I'll be back. Okay, sorry about that. I'm actually looking at hold on. So I'm looking at swinging puts over the next few days, and here's why. So you look at SPY. Look at this. We have an evening doji star, or evening star posting up here. I think this has opportunity to bring us down into the 9, possibly even more. I mean, we did just have quick pull up there. See the Qs. Qs, same type of thing. You got the gap up, evening star. Are we dipping right now? I think we are. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna start. Give me a second. I'm just setting this up, or I'm getting it ready. I'm gonna look into Qs. QQQ. What's next week? Oh, my phone just like froze. That's nice. Looks like they're gonna try to drag this lower. No, don't want that. I just sent that doji. Let me try to look at what I want to grab here. SPY. Okay, SPY 562 put for 4/4, April 4th swing, 3.10, 2 contracts to start. Let me get this one out there too. I'm just waiting to see kind of what they do here. Ooh. It's an area I have interest in. Okay, I'm gonna have to close this down. I have to go on another live. I will catch you guys later. I won't be hosting live for the rest of the week. I'm going away tomorrow, so will not be here in the morning or I just won't be hosting live. I will catch you guys later. If you guys are interested in trading with us live every day, check us out at bulltradefinder.net.